Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm here not alone. Heiko is with me. And yes, I'm happy to have the possibility to tell you something about CRM integration and the CRM add-ons to Open-Xchange from the very beginning. And when I can have the first slide from. Okay. I can have it. This is already done. From the very beginning, we are concerned with CRM and the integration of CRM into Open-Xchange. While being Open-Xchange partner and Open-Xchange user in the past, we are also Sugar CRM partner and Sugar CRM parser. There were rumors from the beginning there is some kind of integration, but really it wasn't. So we started a few years ago to implement an integration, a connector between these two systems. And we introduced this solution on the SugarCon in San Francisco together with Raphael. The product was called Extender for Sugar CRM. It's still in place. It works very well. Also in large installations with 200 of leads, which are synchronized between address books of Open-Xchange and the CRM system. The drawback of such a setup are increased complexity. The user are forced to set up a third-party product, an additional CRM system. He has to handle the setup of the data interchange, custom mappings, attribute mappings, and so on. So together with the involvement of Open-Xchange and a new flagship, the app suite and additional apps integrated in this powerful user interface, we started to talk with Open-Xchange about a way to integrate basic customer relation management functionality native into the Open-Xchange environment. So you are no longer forced to set up a third-party CRM. You are no longer forced to maintain complex attribute mappings to have the data available on the both sides, but you can stay in your very comfortable in your Groupware environment, enhanced with modules like Ox-Text, Ox-Spreadsheet, Ox-Drive, and so on. We have today learned that there is something like Ox-Messenger, which handles all the audio and video online communication. And in the next step, it would make much sense to have something to manage your customer relations directly within this comfortable environment. Okay, we do it. We try it, a live demo, and hope the network is available to show it. We are live already? Okay, then I can slay this away. So what we have basically done is we have developed an additional module, an additional Open-Xchange app called Deals, and what you can you see here is the most spectacular view. It's a Kanban-like stage view of your deals and opportunities. It's configurable for the end user. You can see on the top the different sales stages, and it's very easy to move one opportunity from one stage to another via drag and drop. This also works very well on a tablet. As I have to mention, the main goal was to be as Ox as possible, so that our extensions are visible only on a second look to the system. There is also a side view or halo view available for each and every deal. And you can see on this side view, on this detail view, that the deal stands not alone for itself, but is related to other Open-Xchange objects, which are shown up in groups. There are activities as a open, not closed task, schedules, appointments in the future, and there is a deal history with a closed task, and so on. The default view, when we can switch to the list view, is also available and Ox-like, and the related objects, the associated objects which are related to this deal are not only shown up in the groups, but also active links. So if you click on such an activity, it shows up. As you can see, it's a native Open-Xchange tasks. There's no difference, no add-on from us and this side. And there is also a backlink for available to be easily back in the original parent object. We also reactivated tags or labels. That is, also in the app suite, the user has the possibility to mark entries. Is it a task or appointment or such a deal? With such a label, it's done very easily. And these tags lead us to a consolidated tag view where all the related objects are listed in one page, and you can easily change to the childs of this page. As you can imagine, if we add emails and Ox documents, and this is in progress, you have a complete project view, a thing that was missing for former Ox versions from our customers. And depending on how you edit and how you maintain the tags, you can have something like a project folder or a customer folder directly integrated in Open-Xchange. So let's switch to a related contact. As you can see, not only all the activities related to this contact are also shown in the link group, and also this address book entry can be related, can be associated to a parent object, in this kind an account, which is easily accessible by a link. And from the view downside, what you can see here is a consolidated, aggregated account history. That is all the open activities and all the history activities, all information you need for this customer are aggregated over the child objects. That is, every contact of the account, every deal, every task which is related to such an object will show up in the consolidated account history. So we are very near, together with the new Ox Messenger object, if you can maintain and easily link to calls, to call protocols, to chat protocols, and so on. We are not far away from the 365 view to the customer, which we can easily realize within Open-Xchange without any third-party software. Let's go back to the deal. How can you, or let's stay at the account, Heiko. The links are created very easily. There are a lot of shortcuts, like the create function. This is indifferent to the Ox new activity. The new create activity not only creates the task, for example, a new activity, but in the background also links it to the parent object. That's a very smart way to do this, intuitive. Heiko will show it up. So you can see this new activity shows up as an open activity and is available in your account, in your customer history. The other way, the other mechanism to establish links is to start at an existing entry, for example, an appointment which comes from your smartphone and or from synchronization, like this one. The additional enhanced action menu gives you the possibility to create a link. We have a lot of discussions how to do this very easily and very intuitive. We decided to do it this way because it's compatible to mobile devices and it needs no other GUI elements, but do it, I think, very Ox-like. So if you click on link to, an additional entry shows up in the menu bar, and you, as a reminder, as a mark, and you can now navigate through your Ox system, through your Ox objects. You can use the search and look for the target, that is the parent where you want to link the entry to. Just click again on this, and the link is established and available in the history for the deal, for the account, or whatever. We are in time. Okay. There are some. What's missing, of course, at the moment is a full integration of email and Ox documents. We are working on this. We are very, I think, we are very good in time. What you can see here is an installable Open-Xchange package. You can put it on your Open-Xchange server as a Debian package. It's not much more than a prototype. You can use it with this functionality productively. What's also missing is some sexy stuff like your cockpit or dashboard to give you some KPIs, to give you some pie chart and so on and some charts for the forecast. But it's not far away, and we are good in time. As I didn't hear what René already said, we do this all in tight cooperation with Open-Xchange, and we plan to bring it together to the market, and it's together with the other enhancements like the messenger, a very round thing, let's say. Okay, there are a lot of shortcuts. One thing, a lot of things we have not shown. One thing I want to show you, Open-Xchange is Groupware, is a mailer, and so many of our workflows are email driven, and we have already implemented some shortcuts. So if you go, select any mail and go to the action menu, so you can easily create a lead directly from a mail. That is, he took the data and gives it as a template. You can easily create a task which is related to the email, and there is also a mechanism to update an existing deal. That is, when you please select a mail from Bernd, from me, then and go to the update deal entry. Yes. If there are open deals which are related to this sender of the object, you can easily select it, go on it. So if there is a change in the sales stage, you can do it directly without searching through your deals and so on. So we have a lot of things on the roadmap, and are very interested in your feedback for the first product preview. I would be happy to see you at our booth, direct near the entrance. Thanks for the interest.
Thank you so much, Bernd. Strebel.